Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the video. For you, it's a whole nother week. For me, it's like an hour later, but we're gonna go warm up our pizza. I love this pizza from Walmart. It does have bacon and pork on it, but I feel like for the most part, the ingredients are good, but it is delicious, y'all. So we're gonna eat this. I'm gonna warm it up in the oven, and then we're gonna start cleaning our living room and our kitchen. As you can see, it's in the background. It looks a mess. I'm gonna give you a tour. Let's go. Also, I'm editing part 1, so we shall see how long this video is gonna be because I started editing part 1 and it's like 65 minutes long. So we shall see how long this will take us. Let's clean our kitchen and our living room.
I'm up and down like a pogo, hands up like a pogo. Your love is divine, it never subsides. Seen through creative manifestations, that's been through here generations. Never failed me, never failed me. From the beginning of time, I will come running to you. I always come running to you. I will come running to you. I wanna run coming to you, call. Your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Addition, no minus. Your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Addition, no minus. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3.
I wonder how it felt to cross the Red Sea after Israel was set free. Oh, what a crazy sight to see. It might have sounded like impossibility, but the supernatural ability.
I'm gonna set up this wax warmer. My friend's coming over, so I want it to smell good when she comes. So let's unbox it. Okay, so it's already assembled. You just gotta take it out of the box, I think. This is it. For household use only, do not immerse in water. Do not leave warmer unattended when in use. Place the warmer in open space. Turn off and unplug warmer when not in use or before cleaning. Okay. Oh, it has like this little dial. What is that? Is that like intensity or is that to turn it off and on? We shall figure it out. I'm gonna just unplug this one. I think this is from Bath and Body Works. I feel like they don't be working like that. Anyways, we're gonna just plug it right here so when people walk into my apartment, they can smell it. Okay. Is this the on button? Okay. This is the off and on thing. Okay, we're just gonna put, I'm just gonna put 1. Yeah, we're just gonna put 1 in there and see what it does. How do you like break it apart? I swear I had one of these in college and now I'm acting brand new. Yeah, I just want, ooh, it's like a candy bar. And we're just gonna put 1 in there so we can save them. Okay, so we started that. That's a smell good. And then I realized, wow, I have, in my drawer over here, I have more Bath and Body Works stuff. So, ooh, this is a summery scent. This is sweet orange and agave. So I think we're gonna put this in a plug-in and we're gonna put it, I think I'm gonna put 1 in my living room and then 1 in my bedroom. Cause I want people to walk through my apartment and be like, ooh, it smells so good in here. And I used to have all of these air freshener things. My boyfriend thinks that they make you sick, which they possibly can, but I haven't had one. I haven't had any like plugged up lately, so it'll be fine. We're gonna plug this one in my bedroom, like on the way to the bathroom. It's very citrusy, summery. And then I don't know what this one is, but it hasn't been working. I do have another plug-in, so I think I'm gonna switch it because I've been having this in my kitchen forever and it hasn't emptied out yet. So I think this one is messed up. Look, like at this one compared to this one, I don't know if y'all can tell. Yeah, something's wrong with it. I'm like, should we throw it in the trash? We're gonna throw it in the trash. We're gonna put this one in our living room. And then this one on the way to our bathroom. We're gonna smell good. Ooh, they're leaking.
Has been made available for you and me. Father, Son, and Spirit be the Trinity. I got a lot of angels all in my vicinity. Just like Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego. Put their trust in Jehovah and never let go. Got the fourth man in the fire saying hello. Yeah, Jesus in the fire saying hello.
You know you're getting old when you enjoy restocking like things like toilet paper and paper towel. I thoroughly enjoy it.
For elders they'll be casting crowns. At the mention of the name every knee shall bow. If God is for me, who can stop me now? It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Hey, it's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Your love don't divide.
Your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Addition, no minus. Your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Addition, no minus. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3.
We took a little break to eat lunch, dinner, I don't know, it's 4 o'clock. I just mostly have to like sweep my kitchen, and then now it's the living room time. My friend is coming over to look through my clothes before I donate them. Well, she said she'll drop them off for me. So she was like, let me look through your clothes, and whatever I don't want, I'll drop them off at Goodwill afterwards. And I'm like, say less, because I need to get rid of them. So I'm gonna straighten up my living room real fast. I have a lot of clothes to fold, and then Abby will be coming over shortly to go through my clothes, so we'll be getting rid of a lot of things, hopefully.
Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah.
I am very much a pajama girl, and so that takes up pretty much all my space in my drawers. I have like moved to almost 3 drawers of pajamas. And yeah, I have a lot of t-shirts in here that I need to get rid of so that I can make more room for my jammies, because I love a matching set. I love, you know, matching, and it just makes me feel, I don't know, grown wearing matching pajamas. So that is what's taking up my drawer space. And I think once I get rid of some of these t-shirts, because honestly, truly, I don't wear t-shirts that often. They're more so for like, man, it's hair everywhere. They're more so like, I don't even know, for workouts. I don't even wear them hardly to work out in. I wear a set. I think I'm going to make a trash bag full of t-shirts that I don't wear. Like more of it is like for memories. I don't need to keep these dang t-shirts just for memories. Especially if I'm not gonna wear it, and it can make more space for my pajamas.
I know my 20s.
My friend Abby just came and went through all of my clothes I was giving away. We can finally see the bottom of our closet. Yay. But she went through all of this, so the rest of this is going to Goodwill. None of this on the bed, but all this on the floor. So we're going to package this up and then fold these clothes, put them up, and I think we're going to be done, y'all. I am exhausted. So I was going to go through these suitcases today and sweep and vacuum, all of that. I'm so tired from just decluttering and organizing all day. But this is our kitchen. As of right now, it's cleaner than it was. Yeah, it's cleaner than it was. We're just going to finish what we have to do, and then we're going to end this video so I can take a shower and watch The Bear.
My house, the ways of your past don't define you. Far from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birth. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my son. You saved me from the ways of this world, where Messiah reigns, everlasting love dwells. The one who is and will always remain. The wonders of Christ are still fail to explain. Father, your love.
Y'all, I think we're gonna call it a night. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. We accomplished a lot. We did a lot. We organized a little bit. We cleaned up. It's a lot better than it originally was. I still have some work to do, but for the sake of this video, because it's entirely too long, I'll see y'all next time. Remember to love yourself fiercely. Bye.